Hey boaters, today we're here at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina in beautiful Door County, and we are looking at a really classy Cobalt, almost all white, pretty clean with a nice cobalt blue boot stripe, sitting on a tandem axle trailer with brakes and swing away tongue. Owner just upgraded to a little newer, a little bigger, so we have this opportunity available. Love the rear swim platform. We'll hop up top and take a little closer look at this. But down below we have our dual prop outdrive, so really great control and maneuverability, especially at slower speeds, but extra traction to get you moving. Love this swim step. Simple pull of a lever here that folds down in and sits underwater. One other thing I want to note is for a 21-foot boat, how deep this is. You'll notice when we get inside the cockpit how nice and tall the sides and the gunwales are. So let's hop up inside and take a closer look. All right, we're up on board the Cobalt 210. Love the little extra swim platform out the back here. Again, this swim step that folds down is awesome when you're at the beach. Flip it down, it's really easy to get in and out of the back side of the boat here, and also just sit down and relax with your bottom in the water. So good stuff there. We have a designated walk-through transom area, so you're not stepping all over your cushions to get in and out of the boat. Got a very sizable sunpad, and then bench seating in the back here. We'll step down. Boat's trimmed out really beautifully in this dark espresso. We have cup holders, grab rails, beautiful captain seats that are bolstered, not just bolstered but soft. A lot of bolstered seats. The part that comes up is small and firm. This one has an oversized bolstered cushion that is really soft and actually comfortable to sit on. And both the captain and co-captain's chair are featured with that design. So nice roomy cockpit, easy access to the engine here. Lift on up, we got our V8 power plant, Volvo Penta, again with the dual prop hanging out the back. Plenty of power, a lot of control. So everything laid out really nicely here at the helm. We have tilt steering wheel, your Sony marine head unit, your nice classic gauges with a digital readout for hours and engine data as well on the on the Speedo. So step on over here, we have our main Sony head unit there with a USB input along with 12-volt charging. Nice big ski locker in the floor. We do have snap-in, snap-out carpeting, so if you need to remove it and do a little cleaning, easy stuff to do. Nice big ski locker there. The boat does come equipped with lines and fenders to get you ready to hit the water. Walk through windshield to a nice generous bow space here. Lots of storage underneath all the cushions, including the forward. Love that beautiful stitching. Again, everything trimmed out nice, stainless steel grab rails. We got our anchor locker up front, and as an adult, plenty of room to stretch out, sit back, and relax. So again, 2013 Cobalt 210. If you want to take a look, stop on by or give us a call, set up an appointment for a private showing. Have a great day.